Hi friends, welcome back to Jersey Gardening. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a solar water fountain. You can do this as a lockdown project with your children when they get bored with the online classes. All that you need is a solar water pump and some imagination. So this pump I got from Amazon for $19. This solar pump has three parts: the solar panel, the suction pump, and the wire that connects the suction pump to the solar panel. The name of the suction pump is written in the description box. If you are planning to purchase, please refer to the description box. The whole setup for the fountain can be bought as a single piece, but to reduce the cost, what I have used here is I have used two planters. One I kept upside down, and on top of it I used another planter, and I planted some portulaca plants in here to make it look beautiful. And I'm going to use this reservoir to keep the fountain. This pump has a suction cup here, so you can put it in the middle of this reservoir with the suction pump. We can also put some stones around the fountain. So I filled the basin with some rocks also. I'm putting the statue of this frog also here. Now we can fill this basin with water. You always make sure that the water level goes above the level of the suction. If the reservoir goes dry, the pump may get ruined. This water fountain comes with different spouts. You can use, depending on your choice, the small ones or the one with multiple holes. I'm going to use the one with the multiple holes so the fountain will look nice. You can put the solar panel where you can get good sunlight. You can put some plants around the fountain to make it look natural and beautiful. Children, you can use your imagination and your creativity to make the surroundings of the fountain look beautiful. I put some plants around it, so you can use multiple plants or creeping plants, or you can put more rocks around it to make it look natural. Now we can connect the fountain to the solar panel and see if it works. Yay, it's working!